Hey guys, this is Swash Gamers. Today I'll be doing 2 unboxings from PlayAsia.com. If you don't know, it's a good website for Japanese video games or any sort of video games. Or if you don't know, check out the link in the description for our t-shirts. It's something that we put on our website. Okay, there's a coupon. I'm not going to let you see that. Okay. This is Ragnarok Odyssey. And if you see on top, it says First Edition, Limited Edition. I didn't know that. So, we'll find out in a minute. Put that aside. Nothing left inside. A lot of packing peanuts. So here's the PSP case that I ordered. Put that aside. Okay, and I ordered another game. That one is Ragnarok Odyssey. This one's Project Diva 2nd for Hatsune Miku. Okay, as you can see, here's the stuff we got today. Ragnarok Odyssey, PSP case, and Hatsune Miku Project Diva 2nd. Okay, put that PSP case aside. Open Ragnarok Odyssey first. I see some guy unboxed it, and when he got it in Japan, there's a residential special. Oh, I can feel there's a manual inside. If you know, PS Vita games don't come with many manuals. Oh, it's not a Japanese edition, this is Chinese edition. There's a download code down here. And here's a manual in Japanese. It's a game card, just like all other PS Vita games. Okay, put that aside. And like all PSP games, they come with a manual, unlike PS Vita games. Here's some advertisement. Old-fashioned manuals. I actually played this game before, but never got to use it really good. There you go. There's a UMD. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe. That's about it for this unboxing. Be sure to check out our t-shirts and PlayAsia.com. Peace.